Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we were diving into another common OBD-II trouble code, P0441. If you've seen this code pop up on your scanner, don't panic. I'm going to explain exactly what it means, what causes it, and most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0441 code is related to the EVAP, evaporative emission control system, and indicates evaporative emission control system, incorrect purge flow. This means there is an issue with the purge flow in the EVAP system, which helps prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. You found some symptoms, like check engine light, slight drop in fuel efficiency, a gasoline smell, rough idle, failed emissions test. Common causes of P0441 code. Number 1. Faulty purge valve. The purge valve is responsible for controlling the flow of fuel vapors. If it's stuck open or closed, it can trigger the P0441 code. Test the purge valve using a multimeter to check resistance. If it's stuck open or closed, replace it. Number 2. Loose or faulty gas cap. A loose, missing, or damaged gas cap can cause EVAP leaks, leading to incorrect purge flow. Remove and inspect the gas cap for cracks or damage. Tighten it properly or replace it if worn out. Number 3. Vacuum leak in EVAP system. A cracked or disconnected vacuum hose can prevent proper purge flow. Inspect all EVAP hoses for cracks or disconnections. Replace any damaged hoses. Number 4. Faulty EVAP pressure sensor. If the sensor provides incorrect readings, it can confuse the ECU and trigger the code. Look for signs of clogging or fuel saturation in the charcoal canister. If it's clogged, replace it. Number 5. Wiring or electrical issues. Damaged wires or a bad connection to the purge valve or EVAP system can cause malfunction. Check for broken or corroded wires going to the purge solenoid or EVAP sensor. Repair or replace any faulty wiring. The P0441 code is usually not a serious issue but can cause emissions problems and may affect fuel efficiency. If the gas cap is fine, the most common fix is replacing the purge valve or fixing vacuum leaks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.